Welcome! In front of me I have smartwatch Hama 7010 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset or restart this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen. Let's press and hold it again. No, now it appeared, and we have two options, power off and restart. We are interested in rebooting, so tap on the restart button and the watch will start rebooting. And now we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.